Are you feeling overwhelmed by your Acellus Academy courses? Juggling assignments, deadlines, and trying to keep your grades up can be incredibly stressful. It feels like you're constantly trying to catch up, and the pressure just keeps building. You're not alone in this. Many students find online learning challenging, and it's completely normal to feel like you need a little extra support to succeed. Imagine for a moment what it would feel like to have that weight lifted off your shoulders. Picture opening your gradebook and seeing scores of 90% or higher, all without the constant stress and late nights. Imagine having more free time to focus on other subjects you love, hang out with friends, or just relax and recharge. This isn't just a dream. It can absolutely be your reality. I'm here to help you achieve exactly that. My service is designed to support you with your Acellus Academy online courses for grades 9 through 12. I specialize in helping students navigate their coursework efficiently and effectively, ensuring you get the grades you deserve without all the anxiety. Think of me as your personal academic assistant, dedicated to helping you reach your full potential and excel in your studies. My goal is to make your academic journey smoother and more successful. I've worked with many students, helping them transform their grades and reduce their stress levels. My approach is reliable, confidential, and focused on delivering results. I understand the Acellus platform inside and out, which allows me to provide top-quality assistance that genuinely makes a difference. You can trust that your coursework is in capable hands, allowing you to focus on understanding the material without getting bogged down by the busy work. Ready to take control of your grades and get your time back? It's really easy to get started. I offer my services at very reasonable charges because I believe every student deserves a chance to succeed. You can reach out to me directly to discuss your specific needs and how I can help you achieve those 90% plus scores. For a quick response, send me a direct message on Instagram. My handle is @iwilldoyouronlinecourses. You can also connect with me on WhatsApp at 923200390366. If you prefer email, you can write to me at iwilldoyouronlinecourses@gmail.com. Don't hesitate to reach out. Let's work together to make this your most successful school year yet.